Transferring domain. In today's video, you are going to learn how to transfer domain from Ionos to Hostinger. So let's get started. First, you will see this is a domain website page. Now follow the steps. First, go to Hostinger's website, navigate to the domain section and start a domain transfer. Enter your domain's name and complete the purchase. This includes a 1-year renewal. After that, log into your Ionos account and go to Domains in SSL. Select your domain, then click Renewal and Transfer. Disable the domain transfer lock and voice privacy if enabled. Still under Renewal and Transfer, click Show Authorization Code to get your EPP code and save by copying it. Now, you have an optional option, that is, if Ionos, go to name server setting and choose to use contact name servers and enter the following links. This helps prevent downtime during the transfer. Then return to Hostinger. In the transfer section, enter your domain name and EPP code, then submit the transfer request. Hostinger will find a confirmation email to your domain's registered contact. Open it and follow the instructions to approve the transfer. The transfer may take up to 7 days to complete. Once done, you will receive a confirmation mail and your domain will be fully managed through Hostinger's hPanel. And that's all. That's how you will be able to transfer your domains from Ionos to Hostinger.